Oh, wow. Ah. So suddenly a lot of people are going to love the mids now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Mids, 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 mids. This shoe that I have in my hands today is Air Jordan 1 Mid Band colorway. Yeah, these are mids and they look stunning to me. And I feel so good about these shoes because these shoes have the power to smash those myths that a few people have created that mids have no value and highs have all the value. Well, in this video today, we are going to check out the technical details of these shoes, a brief history about this colorway, why they are known as band, and towards the end of the video, we are going to check out how they look on feet. So stick around till the end of this video and I'll see you on the other side. What's up people, my name is Amit Pandey, I'm an entrepreneur and a sneakerhead and I welcome you all once again to this channel Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. So please subscribe right now if you love sneaker content or if you enjoy watching my videos, because I keep on making exciting and helpful videos around sneakers and sneaker brands. Coming back to these shoes, Air Jordan 1 Mid Band were released towards the end of 2020 at a retail price of 9,995, that's almost 10,000 rupees in India. Now I got to take up this topic even though it is very controversial, I got to be vocal about it. There has been an impression with a lot of people around that mids are not the real sneakers, you shouldn't go for mids, highs are the real ones. Honestly speaking, if that would have been the scenario, Jordan brand would have discontinued the production of mids. Instead, during the year of 2020, we saw a hike in the production of mids and some of the colorways were really impressive. So just in case if you love a shoe, even though if they are mids, don't think about the hype, just go for them. There are so many plus points when you pick these to be a part of your sneaker collection. First of all, these are affordable. So if you are a Jordan fan and can't get your hands on the highs due to its exorbitant price, go and pick these because these are very much affordable. Even though they have a resale, these are still within your range. I'll be talking about the resale of these later in this video, so stick around. Second reason why these mid-band are the shoes that every sneakerhead must have is simply that this colorway is iconic. This is the colorway that has a history, a legacy, so even if you can't grab the highs, the mids will still offer you a chance to become an owner of an iconic Jordan shoe. And the third reason is pretty obvious. These shoes just look superb. Leave apart everything while picking a sneaker for yourself. If you love a shoe based on comfort and if you feel that they look cool, that's your shoes. Without a doubt, Air Jordan 1 Mid Band has raised the standards of mids because of its improved leather quality. The leather quality that we saw in other mids wasn't up to the mark, but this one is far better. The leather has a tumbled finish and is softer comparatively. You can find a nylon Jumpman Air logo right on the top of the tongue. This shoe is almost similar to the Air Jordan 1 High Band, apart from only a slight difference around this area. This particular strip here is red and in the highs it is black. I was also thinking if people would try to paint this red portion into black. By the way, my team at Footstep does the cleaning and painting work of these high-end sneakers to give them a fresh new look. They recently worked on some Air Jordan 1 and 4 to revive their look. Do check their Instagram profile, I'm leaving the link in the description below. About these shoes, I also realized the fact that this particular colorway in mids have got a decent resale value. Well, let me take you to the StockX website and there we can find these Air Jordan 1 Mid Band, and let's check the retail price, that's $115, and the resale price is on an average of $150. That's a decent resale price. For mids to be sold at that resale amount, it's an improving trend, so it makes all the sense to go ahead and invest in these pairs. Okay, now let me highlight why this colorway is known as band. Back in 1985, when Peter Murray, the designer of Air Jordan 1, designed these sneakers using black and red colors for Michael Jordan, the NBA banned it because these shoes were breaking the uniform regulations due to no white color in them. So Nike had to pay $5,000 every time Michael would use these shoes on the court. And that's what Nike used as a weapon to garner support for this colorway, and damn, they got so famous. Now I'm sure you guys are excited to check out how they look on feet. So let's go ahead and try them. Love this? Do let me know your thoughts about these shoes in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, do share this with your friends also. I'm sure you would want to check out my other videos also that I posted on this channel, so don't miss out on subscribing. I'll be soon coming up with some more exciting and helpful videos related to sneakers and sneaker brands. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.